Me again. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the story and then I'm gonna get off because this is only supposed to be like a part two because for some reason my camera decided to shut down. Um, Long story short, she put a weighted blanket on it and he was completely still. He was playing a video game and instead of being jumping up, running around, beating on his chest and everything like that when he was playing, he sat calmly and just played. It helped us focus a lot better, if you know what I mean. So that's what she's doing right now, and I'm glad that she did it because it just makes more sense. Um, Madonna, I did check to see if you were eating my chips. Madonna had her little bag of chips up there. I looked to the side of mine. I'm like, okay, yeah, I've got mine. I thought she could have got my chips. And then, of course, you see my new snacks up there: blueberry Cheerios and blueberry frosted mini wheats. So those are my new snacks for this week. I'm trying to eat a little better. Not doing too good at it, but I am trying. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. I didn't mean for this thing to keep rambling on, but unfortunately it did. So now I have part one and part two. But I don't know which one will post first. It'd be my luck, it'll be part two. But if it does, check out part one. Y'all comment and let down below and let me know what y'all want me to talk about or if y'all have any ideas for me. I'll let y'all know when I get the other stuff in. I have an order coming from Yarnspirations and a the Mary Maxim, but Mary Maxim hasn't even shipped yet, and neither has Yarnspirations. It's fine. Like I said, they're trying to be careful, and that's good with me. I'm absolutely fine with people waiting to send things out if they have to, except for groceries. Because groceries are something you got to have. But this other stuff, you can wait. I'm not in a rush. It's not going to go anywhere. And this is definitely not going to go anywhere for a while. Because I'm like terrified of doing a size 4. Y'all, that's small. And for a 45-inch by 50, that's big. And that's going to be a long thing of tiny yarn. I hope I got enough yarn to do that. I mean, it doesn't look like enough, but they're saying it is. So I'm going to go with what they're saying. They should know they packaged it. So I will go ahead and probably start doing, maybe, I don't know. I'm really nervous at the size too, to tell y'all the truth. Um, the colors look like some I could replace with Premier Basic and do it in a full weight, but it would be really big in a full weight. And you might lose some of the detailing. So I don't know. I'm going to have to decide what I decide to see what I decide to do. I may just send it to my sister and ask her to do it. Yeah, I'd love for her to do it for me. She'll kill me though. That tiny yarn, ooh, she would kill me. I do have some yarn I need to send to her, but not right now. She's got plenty. Anyway, I guess I'll let y'all go. I'll talk to you later. Um, Beautiful stitch markers, Madonna. Gorgeous. Loved them. Um, Loved your bags and everything. I loved Linda's little video too. Just love that lady. But I've been watching everybody's videos from Rose to uh, Summer to everybody who's put a video out lately. I've been watching. So I've been watching. May not have been talking about them, but I've been watching them. So I will let you guys go and I will talk to you later. Bye.